Can you get it in?
I can do that.
Cameron, remember this? Cameron. Lift up. Lift up. Is he too big?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Lift up and then reel. Lift up. Lift up. That's it. Come on, you can do it.
Oh my gosh. You think I can do it?
I know you can. I see him right here. He's right here. He's big. Okay, now lift up. Lift up. There he is. You want me to help you? Here, let me bring him in. Wow, he's big. Reel it in. Wow, look at him. He's big. Wow. No, not yet. Check it out. Okay. He's a big looking rainbow. Should we let him go?
No, I want to touch him.
Here.
Let me touch him, Dad.
Okay, go ahead, touch him.
Yeah.
Go in the water. No, you have to go in the water to touch him.
No, I want him to
No, I'm not bringing him up.
No.
No.
I can't. Look, he's swimming.
Oh, he swallowed it. Go.
What is that, JB? Hey, fish.
Hurry up, touch him, and I'm going to let him go. Wow. Wow, he's huge. Look at me. He's huge. Okay, no, let's put him in the water. Put him in the water. Okay, I'm going to try to help him out.